Hey guys, welcome to a very special edition of my vlog. Very special because this is the first hike that I'm taking in Durban, so I'm very excited to share this experience with you. Stay tuned for this very beautiful hike, you don't want to miss out. So as you can see, this hiking trail is very bushy, which is actually great because it was very hot on this day, but the forest was very cool. Felt like there was an aircon in there, and yeah, and there's a lot of vegetation, so there are beautiful views, a lot of greenery, and yeah, just views to die for. If there's one thing that I have to say about this hike that I really enjoyed, it's the waterfall and the rivers. It's just magical, and you can hear the water as you hike before you even see it. So it was just a very beautiful experience. I wish every hike had like a river and waterfalls. It just makes the experience so much more magical. If there is one thing I did not like about this hike, it's the bugs. Oh my word. As you get towards the river, you see a lot of centipedes and you see very long ones. Like, I don't know, for me, I don't like bugs and small creatures. They make my skin crawl. So just seeing them creep me out a lot. So just wanted to warn anyone planning on going on this hike. I think this was my favorite moment. The water was so cooling, although it was quite powerful, so you had to be very careful, and the rocks were slippery, but it was amazing. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.